Some recipes just taste like home. This Goan Arroz is simple, aromatic, and tempting. It's that special pulao we make on Sundays, birthdays, family gatherings, weddings, and special occasions. Hi my dear friends, welcome back to my channel Noila Creations. Begin by washing half cup of basmati rice with plain water 3 to 4 times and then soak it for 15 minutes. Here I have 5 cloves, 1 bay leaf, 1 inch of cinnamon stick, 5 black peppercorns and 2 green cardamoms. Next, we will heat little oil in a kadai. Now we will add the ingredients which I showed earlier. We will saute this for a few seconds. Next, we will add 2 chopped onions. Once the onions turn translucent, we will add 1½ chopped tomato. Next goes in 1 teaspoon of ginger garlic paste. Next goes in 1/3 cup of green peas which were frozen and is now at room temperature. Meanwhile, in a saucepan, I added 1 cup of water and now I'll let it boil. Now I'm adding salt into the kadai. Next goes in less than 1/4 teaspoon of turmeric powder. Saute until the tomatoes become soft and mashy. The tomatoes have become soft now. I drained the water from the rice and now I'm adding it into the kadai. Stir the rice gently. Take care that the rice doesn't break. Now I'm adding 1½ veg stock cubes powdered. If you don't want to add it, you can skip it. We will mix it well. Now carefully add the boiling water. Mix it gently. Now let's cover the kadai with the lid and let it cook until the water dries completely. By the way, if you like this video, do give it a like, share it with your family and friends and subscribe for more recipes. Make sure to click on the bell icon to get notified the moment I upload a new video, so that you don't miss any of my videos. The water has dried completely. Gently stir it and then switch off the flame. Every spoonful reminds me of family gatherings and birthday lunches. The rice grains stay separate and soft, just the way we like it. It's light, filling and full of homely flavor. Sometimes the simplest food brings the most happiness. This Goan Arroz is something we never get tired of. Soft rice, that mild flavor and a homely aroma that fills the kitchen. It's comfort food. Simple, traditional and loved by everyone at home. This Goan Pulao is something I truly enjoy, especially with chicken Xacuti. That combination feels so comforting and homely. What do you like to eat with pulao? Let me know in the comments below. See you all soon in my next video. Until then, happy cooking. Sending you calmness and good wishes always. Thanks for watching.